If you ever feel overwhelmed by too many open tabs in Google Chrome, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to manage multiple tabs using tab scrolling in Google Chrome, plus a few simple tricks to move through tabs faster, find the right one instantly, and keep important pages pinned at the front. This is a quick but powerful skill that can make your browsing much cleaner and much more productive. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure Chrome is updated and running normally so everything works smoothly. Once Chrome is open, start opening a few tabs so you can see how tab navigation works in real time. You can open new tabs by clicking the plus button at the top or by pressing Ctrl and T to open a new tab instantly. After you have multiple tabs open, you can begin moving between them using keyboard shortcuts. To move forward through your tabs, press Ctrl plus Tab. This jumps you to the next tab on the right. If you want to move backward, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab. This takes you to the tab on the left. These shortcuts are extremely useful when you have several tabs open and don't want to keep clicking around manually. They make switching tabs much faster, especially if you're working, researching, or comparing information across different websites. Now, let's talk about tab search, which is one of the easiest ways to find a tab when you have too many open to count. Look at the top left corner of the tab bar and click the tab search button, which looks like a small down arrow. When you click it, Chrome will show you a searchable list of all your open tabs. This is really helpful if you've got a crowded browser and you can't see the tab you need. Once the tab search list appears, just type the name of the tab you're looking for. Chrome will filter the list instantly so you can jump straight to the right tab without scrolling through everything one by one. It's a huge time saver and one of the best features for managing lots of tabs efficiently. Next, if there are certain tabs you use all the time, like email, calendar, or a project dashboard, you can pin them so they stay easy to access. To do that, right-click the tab you want to keep, then click Pin. When a tab is pinned, it becomes smaller and moves to the beginning of the tab bar. That means it stays out of the way, but it's always right there when you need it. Pinned tabs are perfect for anything important that you don't want accidentally closed or lost in a sea of other tabs. So to recap, you can use Ctrl plus Tab to move forward, Ctrl plus Shift plus Tab to move backward, Tab Search to quickly find any open tab, and Pin to keep important tabs organized at the front. These small Chrome features can make a big difference in how smoothly you browse every day. If this tutorial helped you manage your tabs better, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.